let's check for a while. The stethoscope listens, lub-dub, lub-dub. A happy heartbeat goes rub-a-dub-dub. Take a deep breath, in and out. You're doing great, the doctor shouts. The doctor says, open wide, please. Let's check your throat with gentle ease. A tiny light shines bright and clear. Everything looks good in here. A gentle tummy tap, tap, tap. Then a friendly little clap, clap, clap. Maybe your tummy needs some rest. Healthy choices work the best. Sip cool water nice and slow. Watch your happy body glow. Fresh fruit, veggies every day help us jump and laugh and play. Wash your hands till they sparkle bright. Morning, noon, and every night. Soap and bubbles swish around. Healthy smiles can soon be found. Stretch your arms and touch your toes. Wiggle fingers, wiggle nose. A little walk and try some fun. Moving together, everyone. The doctor gives a shiny star. You've been so brave just as you are. Kind words, courage, happy cheer bring big smiles to everyone here. Now the tummy feels much better. Every moment getting brighter. Wave goodbye with a happy grin. Ready for adventures to begin.